So let's continue. आज का 1.5 आवर्स वर्कशॉप का एजेंडा है overthinking on our mistakes. How to the tips to overcome this habit. And in heartfulness, the best technique is maximum 10. Then we'll do EFT on overthinking, and then magnifying healing session 10 minutes. Then we'll share our experience, and then we'll do meditation, and then we'll have a small video on cognitive reserve. So ये है पूरे 1.5 आवर्स का एजेंडा. आज की प्रेजेंटेशन का सोर्स है हार्टफुलनेस टेक्निक्स and Harvard Business Review article by doctorate PhD boys. He has done PhD on this overthinking, and then we will do tapping and magnify healing. Daji, he says, forget the past. We cannot change it. Make a determined resolution not to repeat the mistake and to introspect and take the right step about our mistakes. What is overthinking? What is rumination? When we do anything and we think, overthink endlessly, mentally replay situations again and again, and wish you had performed differently. And before that, all these notes were taken by Sister Tejashri. I just converted to PPT. So thanks to Sister for preparing these notes. So hope we all agree this is overthinking or rumination. When our mind endlessly, and in mind we replay the situation again and again, and we also think by our old mistakes, hope I would have performed it differently. Thanks, Brother Pankaj. Some examples of overthinking. Wish मैंने ये बोला नहीं होता. Wish I had not spoken that way. Wish I had volunteered for that project which is winning accolades. Past में सोच रहे हैं, future की worry कर रहे हैं. Wish I had spoken and shared openly what I am feeling. Wish I could have been more patient with the potential customer. So mainly what is overthinking is, in summary, we worry about what may happen in future. दो चीज चल रही होती है इसमें. We worry about future and at the same time we ruminate over past mistake. दो चीज combine हो रही है. Future and past prompted by one event. And third thing हो रही है इसमें, we start criticizing ourselves in this overthinking. तो इसका impact क्या होगा? If you can, anybody we can write. Do you agree? Yes, this happened in overthinking our mistakes. Past की mistake में सोच रहे होते हैं और future की worry कर रहे होते हैं, and अपने आप को criticize कर रहे होते हैं. इसका impact क्या होता है? Anybody can share chat window. Loss of inner calmness is Brother Sandeep ji. Self-blame is unproductive. This unproductive thinking is exactly. You feel disappointed, blame self or others. Excellence. Dina ji, confusion, guilt. So you can see the impact. Anger and don't know what to do. Sister Bhavisha ji. You feel disturbed, overthinking. Tushar ji. Guilt is formation of samskaras. Sleep disturb, yes. So we can see the huge impact. We are doing three things at the same time. Thinking about future, worry about future, thinking about past, and self-criticism. इससे साइंटिफिकली क्या हो रहा है? हमारा ब्रेन स्ट्रेस मोड में चला जाएगा एंड रैशनल थिंकिंग स्टॉप हो जाएगी इस टाइम, तो लूप चलता रहेगा। एंड फोर्थ थिंग, हमें पता ही नहीं चलेगा वी आर डूइंग दिस ओवर थिंकिंग। दिस इज द फोर्थ थिंग, एंड द पर्सन हु हैज डन पीएचडी on ओवर थिंकिंग, हार्वर्ड बिजनेस रिव्यू में, द बेस्ट थिंग इज वी डोंट नो, मोस्ट लाइकली वी वोंट नो वी आर डूइंग दिस ओवर थिंकिंग, क्योंकि हमारा रैशनल ब्रेन स्टॉप हो जाता है व्हेन वी डू ऑल दिस थ्री। हाई स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स आर रिलीज्ड and rational brain stops. That's the scientific reason. Yeah, we tired, loss of energy. Correct. And we do self criticism. हम अपने आप को बोलते हैं I could have been smart in that situation. I could have been organized. I could have been more disciplined, more ambitious, more charismatic. अपने आप को self blame करते हैं कि I should have done this better. The thinking of the situation again and again. We all सबने हमने chat window में डाल दिया everything. It leads to we feel unpleasant thoughts. It's a poor problem solving, leads to anxiety, even depression. So the key thing is to identify, first step is to identify our rumination triggers, because most likely people are not able to spot this habit in themselves. Yes, correct. Stress, negative thoughts. So this is the first step, to identify triggers. What triggers this overthinking? So we can note down when this trigger happens. During the whole day, we can note down in diary when this trigger happens. The most crucial part of identification. Situation, one situation could be you're doing some project work, but you don't trust the other person. इस टाइम कैसा, are you blaming yourself for other person? ये ट्रिगर शुरू हो जाएगा ओवर थिंकिंग का, if you don't trust your team member, or if other people who seem to be more smarter or ambitious in the project team, तब ये ओवर थिंकिंग शुरू हो सकता है, ये ट्रिगर कर सकता है। Either we judge ourselves or judge others, or you're taking a big step in our career, उस टाइम पे भी हो सकता है ये fear may come up when taking a big promotion, a big step, or taking major money decisions. We can think of any other triggers while diary writing, we will know. So any other triggers you can share in chat window. Yes, the web of the asset formation when we do overthinking. So these are 4 examples when this overthinking may trigger about our mistakes. Yes, what people say, इसका पूरा एक अभी टैपिंग है उसके ऊपर on this topic, what others say. So solution given in Harvard Business Reviews, label what's running in your mind as thoughts and feeling. अपने आप को आइडेंटिफाई मत करो जो हम ब्लेम कर रहे हैं. For example, instead of saying I am inadequate, you can rephrase the sentence, start saying I am feeling that I am inadequate. तो एक डिस्टेंस हो जाएगा. ये inadequate हमारे आइडेंटिटी नहीं बनेगा. If you use this word self talk में, if you blame ourselves, I am not good, other person is smarter, I am not smart. This word I am not smart, instead of that you say my thoughts are that I am not smart, I am feeling that I am not smart. तो small थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस हो जाएगा between my identity and that label जो बना रहे हैं. This is one suggestion. अपने आइडेंटिटी और अपने थॉट्स में डिफरेंस लेके मेंटेन अ डिस्टेंस. So don't make this identity of self-blame. Same way health में भी, if you say I am diabetic, I have BP patient, तो हमने identity बना ली अपनी. वो instead of that we can use the word I am having condition of high BP. It will make huge difference to our mind. Second suggestion given in Harvard Business Reviews, just write down in diary, are you expecting things to go only your way always? Any entitlement is there, or you personalize everything? You think that people are scrutinizing you, what people are thinking about you, what people are saying about you. Is this a pattern? This is a deep inner trigger, what people are saying about you, or any expectation that things should always be correct, right? Correct, Aditya ji, yes. If I say I am inadequate, it's a judgment. Well, if I say I am feeling like I am inadequate, observation. That taught in heartfulness communication. Excellent. So what Brother Aditya ji is saying is it's completely a new module, heartfulness communication. How to observe things instead of judging ourselves. It will be a topic in itself, big topic. Anybody else is facing a mic problem, or only Ram Kumar ji is facing? Is my voice clear? Yeah, Pankaj is facing, saying voice is clear. So please check your internet connection. Voice clear, voice clear. Yeah, all are saying voice clear. So Sandeep ji, that's a totally different module itself. Observation, heartfulness, communication. Deep topic. So how to observe instead of judging. Now this overthinking is totally different than problem solving. To come into problem solving mode, we can ask ourselves, what is the best choice available right now in this situation? What action can I take? Rumination is thinking, thinking, thinking. But this question is what choice I have right now? It's action. What action I can take? So if you can shift immediately, if you can identify you're doing overthinking, come to action mode. So take even small step, even if it's not perfect. That is much better than thinking. Small, minute step, 1% step, much better than overthinking. If you are able to identify that I'm doing overthinking. So what's the best choice right now, given the situation? Asking this question can help a lot from overthinking. And as per research, we do overthinking to avoid coping up with situation. That's why we do overthinking. But action mode is totally different. It's a problem solving mode. So just you can write down in diary, am I avoiding this situation and thinking, or I'm taking action. This observation itself a big huge shift to us. There's some more techniques that we all know, all have written in the voting. We can distance ourselves from our thinking pattern to something new. For example, write down medium task expense report, which I have to fill up. Do jogging, walking, yoga, breathing, meditation. And if we can ask this simple question, whenever we find ourselves overthinking, same thought again and again, to break that circle, that vicious circle. Ask a question, what is a simple solution to this complex emotional problem? And just wait for the solution to come. Just send this question to the universe and just forget it. That what is the simple solution to this complex emotional problem? Send this question to the universe. किसी ना किसी फॉर्म में आंसर आ जाएगा, न्यूज़पेपर में, मैगजीन में, दाजी का आर्टिकल और बुक्स. बस ये क्वेश्चन भेज दो आप यूनिवर्स में. What is the simple solution to this complex emotional problem? Yes, surrender yourself. So the overthinking is normally a catch-22 situation. Normally we are not aware that we are doing overthinking on our mistakes. It clouds our rational thinking. क्योंकि rational thinking brain stop हो जाता है इससे. Because we are in so much stress. Past का सोच रहे हैं, future का सोच रहे हैं, अपने आप को blame कर रहे हैं. And we go into stress mode और rational thinking stop हो जाता है उसमें. And we are also not aware we are overthinking. ये सबसे बड़ा ये है catch situation. Yes, prayer to master is one more best solution. And other suggestion given by an article is introspection, your mistakes in calmer moments over period of time. Can anybody say this person who's in PhD और हमारे बाबूजी ने इसका solution दिया होगा? Please guess कीजिए. So introspect your mistakes in calmer moments over period of time. Please guess कीजिए बाबूजी ने क्या किस solution दिया इसका? जिसने पीएचडी रिसर्च किया उसने ये हमें सॉल्यूशन दिया, पर बाबूजी ने 100 ईयर्स पहले दे चुके. वेयर इंट्रोस्पेक्ट योर मिस्टेक्स इन कामर मोमेंट्स. एक्सीलेंट लीला जी. मैक्सिम 10. स्वाति जी. यस, मैक्सिम 10. सो दिस इज मैक्सिम 10. इसका लॉजिक हमें और ज्यादा डीपली समझ में आएगा. हमने रात को क्यों बोला बाबूजी ने इन कामर मोमेंट्स? क्योंकि हमारी ईगो नहीं होती इस टाइम, नॉर्मली सोल लेवल पे काम कर रहे होते हैं रात को. तो मिस्टेक एडमिट करना इजीली है, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करना भी इजी है, क्योंकि मॉर्निंग में ईगो हाई लेवल पे रहती है. वो ईगो हमें अलाउ नहीं करेगी अपनी मिस्टेक एडमिट करने को. तभी रात को सोने से पहले फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट ऑल योर मिस्टेक्स, देन विल गो इनटू नेक्स्ट टाइम इन डिटेल. अभी yes brother Ketan ji, it works during sleep when ego is low. तो दाजी का ये एक आर्टिकल है. We sometimes tend to commit mistakes knowingly, unknowingly. It's our duty to realize our mistakes, and this can be done by connecting ourselves with divine self in the night at bedtime. So very clear, at bedtime, feeling presence of God, repent for any wrongdoings, like forgiveness in supplicant mood, and prayerfully resolve not to allow repetition of the sin. It's Maxim 10. Introspect daily before bedtime to correct your faults. Avoid making mistake again and again. We are human beings. We may make mistake again and again. So our duty is first introspect in bedtime, especially what is the mistake done, and then resolve not to do. So first step is awareness. Second step in Maxim 10 is asking forgiveness from master. Third step is not to repeat again. And why we do in the night? Maxim 10. Because as we sleep, our nervous system switches to parasympathetic mode. Breathing is calmer. We are close to nature, contentment state. So this time is best time for introspection and reflection. Ego this time is very less active. And when we do just before going to sleep, it will keep on going in our, it will go from a short memory to long-term memory. Then we form new patterns. Then they impact. So the real change happens when we do this vaccine 10 in the night. So first step is to recognize, then take responsibility of our mistakes, then feel sorry for wrongs committed, and ask forgiveness directly to master, and resolve not to do it again. This I have taken from Sister Uma's presentation, text 10 maxims. So one question, what when we work hard but do not get results? My understanding is just do the work and give results, master will give whatever he wants. This is a very good concept given by the author in Harvard Business Review, because we may never know other people, what thoughts are in other people. If we are blaming others, if we are blaming others about their behavior and attributing cause to his behavior, so even just this small thing, if you note down, mentally, that we may never know the truth, what other person is thinking. I made mistakes many times by overthinking that he's thinking about me this way, but situation came out to be totally different. So we can at least accept the fact that we may never know the truth, what other person is thinking about me. Is a huge important skill in reducing overthinking. By just accepting this fact, I may never know what other person is thinking about me. It may just be in my mind only, my own thinking. So this is, I think, very good takeaway. If we can accept this, that we may never know what other person is thinking about me, it will hugely impact in reducing rumination. To summarize the article, it's a widespread problem. We saw 80% people are in a survey of self. First thing is to become more aware, then make strategies to implement, and it takes time and effort. It will not go in one day. A lot of effort, time is required. But it is very important for our mental health and productivity. So theory part is over. We'll go for tapping. Any queries, any feedback, any comments you can share before moving forward. Okay, entitlement and personalizing. Entitlement का मतलब है कि when we expect things to go our way only. I'm entitled to this. The other person will behave this way only. He will take up my request first, not others. If In detail, we try to become center of the universe, that me, and our 11th maxim is on this expectation. आचार्य जी ने 11th maxim हमें सबको बताया, don't expect. So this may also come in the way of overthinking. Why he is not doing it? I expect this to be done my way only. But real practical life में this may not be possible. Everything may not go our way. And personalizing means what other person are thinking about me. मेरे बारे में ये सोच रहा है, वो actually people are busy in their own life. They're not maybe not be mostly thinking about us or judging us, but we may think personally. Everything personally. Yes, excellent, Aditya ji. Expect not, will be disappointed. Maxim 11. Slide after best version slide. Okay, this I missed out. ये office related issue होता है. For example, in the day when we are reading others' mail, हम उसके एक दो sentence को highlight कर लेंगे that irritates or upsets us, or we misinterpret the mail. Normally मुझे काफी issue था ये. किसी ने मेल लिखी, एक दो वर्ड्स पिकअप कर लेते हैं and we misunderstand. पूरा टोन ऑफ मैसेज हम डिसमिस कर देते हैं. सो बेस्ट वे मैं बॉस से कि वेट फॉर 2 days बिफोर रिप्लाइंग, क्योंकि आवर ईगो इज हाई एट दैट टाइम. वी मे मिस इंटरप्रेट द मेल टोटली. Yeah, excellent, brother Pankaj. This happens in work from home situation. We are not face to face. We don't know what is the intention of the mail. We tend to misinterpret just by one word or two words. That one or two word may irritate us or upset us, then the whole email we may misinterpret. It's a common problem, common challenge. So since time is short, let's go to next one. Solved का मैंने कई बार बता चुका हूँ, इसको I'll skip. Now this overthinking we all want to let go. Let's start. What is over period introspection? जो maximum 10 में है. Daily over period means daily before going to sleep we can introspect any mistake done and then ask for forgiveness. Let's go to topic EFT to remove overthinking. To repeat theory about EFT, it is for releasing all the physical pain, emotional pains. It's also called psychological acupressure. Acupressure or acupuncture, जो different points होते हैं वहीं पे हम tapping करते हैं to remove our emotions and patterns of behavior. ये acupressure points. First point is eyebrow. Second point is side of eyebrow, below eyes, below nose, below mouth, collarbone, under armpits. इसके आप स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वेल वी टॉप एंड टॉप ऑफ हेड इक्वल पॉइंट. eyebrow, side of eye, below eyes, below nose, below chin, collarbone, the armpit, top of head. So these are acupuncture points, acupressure points जहाँ पे हम tapping करेंगे to release our old patterns. It was developed by Gary Craig, USA, to release the disruption in energy that causes our negative emotions and pains. So let's start. एक गिलास पानी आप रखते हैं ताकि 10 मिनट के बाद यूज होगा. अपना स्ट्रेस लेवल either you note down mentally about overthinking. अब ये सिचुएशन याद कीजिए कि somebody has said something to you और आपको बुरा लगा हो लास्ट वीक मंथ. कोई भी सिचुएशन आप माइंड पे लेके आइए. Now we do everything by closing our eyes and feel observed inside. Think of any situation if somebody has said to you something और आपको बुरा लग गया और उसको अब आप सोच बार बार सोची जा रही. Overthinking. We are taking specific niche overthinking of somebody said something to me and I'm overthinking. उसको हम remove करेंगे. So tune in by closing eyes. Tune in the frustration, stress you feel right now when you're thinking about what other person said to you. How strongly you feel what somebody said to you. How strongly you have consuming overthinking thoughts, which keeps on going over and over and over. A lot of mental loops and can't stop thinking about it. Scale of 10 is highest, 0 is lowest. Someone said, did also, we can see somebody did also. We can also add. किसी ने कुछ बोला हमें बुरा लग गया कि तुम ऐसी हो तुम ऐसी. 10 means intensity level is high. इसको हम टेस्ट करेंगे after 10 minutes. 0 means below 0 intensity. Either put in chat window or you can note down in your diary. जो हमें किसी ने बोला और हमें बुरा लग गया और उसी को हम बार बार सोची जा रहे हैं और थॉट जा नहीं रही. बॉस ने बोल दिया, स्पाउस, फ्रेंड्स, किसी ने भी कुछ बोल दिया. सो फॉर नॉट गेटिंग माई मनी बैक, जो उसने बोला, जो पैसे नहीं दे रहा, क्या बोलता आपको बुरा लग गया, उसी बारे में सोच लो, उसका स्ट्रेस लेवल लिख सकते हैं. ओके, एक्सीलेंट. लेट्स स्टार्ट. कीपिंग आईज क्लोज्ड. हमने सारे पॉइंट्स पहले देख लिए थे. आई विल रिपीट अगेन. साइड ऑफ हैंड, आईब्रोज, स्मॉल टैपिंग, वेरी बहुत ही आराम से टैपिंग करनी है ताकि दर्द बिल्कुल ना हो. ये दो फिंगर्स से side of eyebrow is side of eyebrow, below eyes, below nose, below mouth, collarbone, and below armpit, and top of head. So keeping eyes closed, we can say aloud or silently to yourself, tapping on the karate chop point, side of hand. You know, I cannot stop thinking what the other person said to me. मुझे बुरा लग गया, उसी को सोची जा रहा हूँ बार बार जो दूसरे थर्ड पर्सन ने मुझे बोला. I cannot stop thinking what other person said to me, but I choose to relax now. Even though I cannot get over what happened, I can't seem to let go. I choose to notice it and choose to release this. Even though I keep thinking about what other person said, my mind is spinning. I give myself permission to relax now. Side of the eye, I just keep thinking about it. मैं उसके बारे में सोचता ही जा रहा हूँ. थॉट बंद नहीं हो रही. Below eyes, it is bothering me. Overthinking is bothering me. On the nose, I can't seem to let it go. Sometimes I can't seem to let it go. On the mouth, all these thoughts, The eyebrow point, I think I'm thinking of what other person said. I'm thinking of what other person said. Thinking of what other person said. Side of the eye. I just keep thinking about it. I just keep thinking about it. I just keep thinking about it. It is bothering me. Below eyes, it's bothering me. It is bothering me. It's bothering me. On the nose, I can't seem to let it go. I can't seem to let it go. I can't seem to let it go. In the mouth, all these thoughts, all these thoughts, all these thoughts, collarbone, all the stress, what was said to me, all that stress, what was said to me. Underarm, what if I begin to let it go? What if I begin to let it go? What if I begin to let it go? Top of the head, what if I begin to release these thoughts? Ask question to ourselves. What if at no head? What if I start releasing these thoughts? If I begin to release these thoughts, what will happen? Eyebrow point, our brains, we keep on tapping as an speaking these words so that release will happen. Our brain is always trying to help us. Our brain is always trying to help us. Sometimes we get stuck in thoughts, thought loops. Sometimes we get stuck in thought loops, unproductive mental chatter. Unproductive mental chatter, side of the eyes. For example, when someone said something and it bothers me, when someone said something and it bothers me, brain start thinking why we are upset. Our brain starts thinking why are we upset? How to respond? How to respond to what steps I need to take to resolve the situation. So when I start some thinking about what other person said, it start bothering me. My brain start thinking why I am upset. How should I respond? What steps to take to resolve the situation? It goes into thought loop again and again. Below eyes, sometimes brain keeps on ruminating and get consumed about what other person said. Sometimes my brain keeps on thinking, keeps on ruminating and get consumed about what other person said. So many mental loops goes on, brain itself get consumed. So many thoughts. Number nose. Today I'm going to change this, shift this pattern of behavior of my brain. Today I'm going to shift this pattern. Today I'm going to shift this pattern. And the mouth. Acknowledge, now notice, bring the situation again. One other person said to you. Visualize it, what he said, the words, and allow all the thoughts to come up about that situation. And just notice it and acknowledge thoughts coming up, tapping on the mouth. Collarbone. Visualize, play out the whole interaction. Visualize starting point, middle point, end point of conversation. What he said, how he said, the words he said. Visualize everything while tapping on collarbone so that let it come out. Underarm. Tune yourself thoughts. When other person said, what thoughts came to you? Tune your thoughts, what they meant. What did they meant by saying this? Top of the head. Whatever comes while visualizing, just notice. It is safe to let the thought happens. It is safe for the thoughts to come up, and it is safe to let it go. Allow the thoughts to go. Yeah, I will show the photo after this eyebrow point. Visualize the history, total history after they said क्या क्या हुआ. After they said something, what all thoughts came to you? What all judgments for other person come to you? Whole history, just bring it out. So visualize the history moment after they said something to you. Said the I. What if I let go what this person said? Take a deep breath and say to yourself by tapping on the side of I. What if I let go this what this person said? What if I let go this person said? Below eyes, I'm relaxing more. Body is also relaxing. It may be heavy. I'm relaxing more. And the nose, helping brain form new patterns. And the nose, helping brain form new patterns. Helping brain form new patterns. And the mouth, by letting go of these thoughts of this person said, you can let more space for calm, relaxed, move forward. When we let go of these thoughts what other person said, that space is being filled up with more calm, more relaxation, more solution to go forward. Collarbone, peaceful with this situation and letting go of all mental loops. You can also communicate with the other person verbally, visualizing what you want to say. And you can also mentally say, I'm peace with this situation, with tapping on collarbone and letting go of all this mental loop. Letting go of all this mental loop. And the arm safe to let go of all thoughts with calm and ease. It is now safe to let go of all the thoughts, feeling calm and ease. Top of the head, more deeper relaxation. Mind is clear, mind is calm. More deeper relaxation. Mind is clear, mind is calm. The last round, it is safe, eyebrow point. It's safe for me to release these thoughts. It's safe for me to release these thoughts. It's safe for me to release these thoughts. Said I, when I need to think through, I can have option. When I need to think through thoroughly, I can do it later. Below eyes. Right here, right now, I'll let it go. Right here, right now, I'll let it go. The nose, I choose to trust myself and my mind. I choose to trust myself and my mind. And the mouth, whatever this person said, whatever this person said. Collarbone, safe, all is well. Safe, everything is well, all is well. Feeling safe, all is well. Feeling safe, all is well. The armpit, I can let go now. Okay, let go now. Top of the head, I choose to relax with peaceful, clear mind. I choose to relax with peaceful, clear mind. Choose to relax with peaceful, clear mind. Now you can take 3 deep in breath, out breath. You can take 1 glass of water. You can take 1 minute. Before that, I'll show the points. You can take pictures. Come back in 1 minute. You have glass of water. We can share in chat window. Score पुराना क्या था और आपके what is the old score and new score? Any difference? You can share in chat window. How do you feel? Sandeep ji 10 to 7. Good. 8 to 1. Sister Tejasvi ji excellent. Brother Jay 8 to 4. Shweta ji 10 to 3. Vandana ji 10 to 5. 5 to 1.5. Tushar ji, Pankaj ji 10 to 5. Risha ji 10 to 3. Dhiren ji 9 to 4. All are got good results. Deepak ji 3 to 1. Murli ji 8 to 3. Dina ji, okay, it's yeah, fine. This process is very hard for me. It's fine. You can do repeatedly. I'll be sharing this video. Huge things may come up. Emotions may come up. It's fine. It's normal. Amya ji 10 to 2. Tishpal ji 10 to 5. Pritam ji 9 to 6. Excellent. Yeah, Shweta ji emotions came up. It could be buried inside. It came up. So do it repeatedly.